Hungarian stuffed red bell peppers. A side dish from Hungary. Serves 2. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Cut off the very top part of the peppers. Chop the pepper tops finely, omitting the stems, and save for the filling. Seed and core the peppers, set aside. Step 2. Heat a large covered frying pan and add the lard or oil. Step 3. Sauté the garlic, onion and reserve chopped pepper tops until tender. Add the parsley and rice, and sauté for a few minutes. Add half cup of the chicken stock, cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Step 4. Allow to cool. Fill the peppers
In a large
just to
bowl,
the top,
combine the ground
but don't
meat, paprika,
pack too
egg,
firmly because
salt,
the rice
and
will
pepper rice
expand
mixture.
during cooking. Mix very
Place
well.
the
Filled peppers in a Dutch oven and add the remaining 1 cup chicken stock to the bottom of the pot.
CountryReports.
Cover and simmer very gently for 45 minutes, keeping the